Good morning everyone. I am Kanishka of class 12, a proud kingdomite and captain of the Ruby House. My heart swells with joy, pride and the purpose. This isn't just a title, it's my responsibility, a privilege and a passion to lead with heart and fire. First and foremost, my deepest gratitude to Suja ma'am, our teachers and my friends. Your belief in me had been my greatest strength. Today, I don't just step as a captain, I rise as a heartbeat of the Ruby House. Fired up with dreams, rooted with gratitude and ready to roar louder than the ever before. To my all Ruby House members out there, you are my spirit, my strength and my power. Together, we are more than just a house, we are a legacy. Last year, we raised the bar high and this year, we are going to rise more than ever. My special thanks to my parents who have been my greatest strength and they have been in all my high and low. Your love made me shine into who I am today. As a captain, I promise to lead with dedication, courage and a whole heart of Ruby House fire. With all of you by my side, I know Ruby House will rise, roar and reign once again. Together, let's make this year more than just successful but a spectacular. Stronger together, brighter we gleam. Ruby House is more than just a dream. With every voice and every cheer, we want the stage, this house this year. Thank you.